Guys, I'm back with another video. So, underwater na tayo kasi secret casino! Okay, let's play. Tingnan natin. Yes! Oh my god, I want that golden ticket. They gave me a salute and I want that robot suit. I want that robot suit to make reputation. That wins. This is so cool now. This is so cool. So, pagkatapos ko to, so, isasend ko muna to kay Pio. Si, yung kalaro natin nung, 308. And, kasi hindi niya pa nakita yung cutscene. Lana!
The sea controls wrath and pride. As the moon shines, it illuminates the lives. Under the moonlight, evil cannot as easily hide.
Oh my god.
This is a summer you'll truly never forget.
Oh my god. This is so cool. Yes, bago ko ng account kasi, na-delete. Ewan ko bakit. Baka kasi, add ko na sila na Ray. What did I just get? Can I move? Can I move? Water. Welcome to Avatar The Way of Water. We'll be dressing up as Neytiri.
Would you rather be respected o katakutan kayo o feared by especially the criminals and number two ng mga policemen under you? Ito nga to niya, nakita ko yan ang pronouncement ng Pangulo, pero hindi ko talaga tinutukan kung ano ba talaga ang gusto niya na parang isip context kasi nabasa ko talaga yan na sinabi niya parang mas maganda yatang ako prepared nakatakutan pero ang nature kasi ng ating Pangulo ay napakabait, no? He's an all-accommodating president.
Okay, I don't know.
Understand so.
Sorry guys if I'm so quiet kasi nag-ano lang ako. Nag-enjoy lang ako. Oh my god, ano to? Oh my god, bakit ito yung lobby natin? Tapos may mga ano tayo.
So, we really have to be accommodating and we have to understand all sectors kasi hindi naman pwedeng ang isang sector lang ating pakikinggan. So, binabalansin natin yan at sinisiguro natin na naririnig ang ating mga kababayan. Nasaan man sila, with all the cultural differences, with all the linguistic differences. May mga isla nga tayo na paglipat sa kabilang probinsya, iba na ang salita. So, kailangan talaga ang balancing act. And I really, that's the biggest challenge to get in step with the president.
Wow. It's freaking me out too.
I-harmonize ang aking 200,000 policemen. But you know, dahil nga sa kabaitan ng Pangulo at pagiging umulit
Are we on there?
minsan
Oh gosh. Just took a dark turn. Just took a dark turn, guys. Like why? Why a dark turn? I love a new fancy outfit. Bakit? takot na ako. Fan muna tayo, Lala.
Ang PNP nga,
Okay.
we are almost
May narinig akong
that everything
Ano narinig mo?
yung
are in the amendment of the law. But make no
Ganyan sa
mistake about it,
kabila.
we will be very, very strict. And I believe that we will be very, very effective.
Wala.
Talagang,
OMG, guys, what did you see? Nandito na yung upgrade. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. May mga ano ako. Mga pusong ganda. Guys, ang ganda